Meghalaya Health Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh announced that the government is working to establish a government-run Shillong Medical College, aiming to strengthen medical education and healthcare services. The first batch is expected to launch this academic year, pending National Medical Commission approval. In response to opposition leader Mukul Sangma's concern over Project Clarity, Lyngdoh reassured that preparations are underway, with affiliation to Northeastern Hill University completed and the Pasture Hill site converted into an academic block.
The Pasture Institute is being converted into an academic block. It is a brownfield project. We did not require to institute a new hospital. We needed to look at the infrastructure that is already available. The manpower is already available. We've designated the research department to also be the academic department. So these are the major administrative decisions that had to be taken. But the department is on the job. We've done the affiliations with NEHU. That was also required.